My name is Tyler Moore. I'm an Associate Professor of Computer Science at the University of Tulsa. I hold the Tandy Endowed Chair in Cybersecurity and Information Assurance. I'm also the Faculty Director for the MS in Cybersecurity professional track. My research focuses on security economics and cybercrime measurement. While we often envision cybersecurity to be a purely technical endeavor, the reality is that human and organizational dimensions matter just as much. Incentives often explain why security fails in practice. In my own research, I've investigated how Chief Information Security Officers decide where and how much to invest in security controls. I have gathered and analyzed data on hundreds of thousands of compromised websites that distribute malware, and I've uncovered evidence of price manipulation in cryptocurrency markets. It is this broader perspective about cybersecurity spanning technical and non-technical dimensions that I hope to instill in students in our program. I teach the Foundations of Cybersecurity course. My goal is for students who have completed this course to master a security mindset that they can apply to new situations and circumstances, to understand why computer systems fail and how they can be protected against attack. Students learn to recognize the promise and limitations of technologies to promote cybersecurity. They learn to communicate security requirements and oversee their execution. Students gain hands-on experience with system, network, and web attacks through labs, as well as some of the controls designed to counter attacks. After completing the course, students are equipped to cut through the fear, uncertainty, and doubt used by some to sell security products or services, and instead they can identify what needs to be done in order to protect an individual or an organization.